to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright guys, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this video I want to show you how to do face swap. Yes, I want to do face swap using our generated images. So I'm going to use this application. Just go over to your Google Chrome and then type in Lemaka AI. Okay, this is it. Click on it. Okay, now remember I told you I'm going to give you more AI tools which you can use to generate images and also do amazing things. There's something that happens while we are doing this 3 weeks digital skill training. And I shouldn't have shared this word. Let me just tell you, okay, but I will not tell you all. I was able to make money. Yes. I don't want to say this, but yes, that is it. I used AI to solve the problem. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I did. Yeah, because it's obvious the person I did this stuff for might even be watching these videos too. So, okay, but one of these is what I'm saying is for you to know that you can use AI to make money. You can use AI to solve problems. Okay, those problems that you'll be looking for somebody to do it. There is this word that have been flowing around. People have been saying that AI replaces jobs. AI will replace humans. AI will do that. And let me just tell you, that is not true. Okay, I've been a graphic designer. AI has only replaced me, and AI will not even replace me, because those companies that will try to use AI to design graphics for themselves, when they don't know how to design graphics, they will not be able to use AI. But we that are graphic designers, if there is a new AI that we know that can design very well, we that are graphic designers are the one that will tell AI what we needed. Yes, we are the one that will tell him, okay, we want a graphics, we want this thing, we want you to put this thing, we want you to put the other one, because we have known how a good graphics looks like. But when somebody that is not a graphic designer, maybe a CEO of a company, say, oh, I've seen that there is this application which you can use to design something. Just write something down and it will give you a design. See, guys, being that person don't know the principles and the elements of graphic design, it's obvious they cannot get a good catchy design. They will just use the app and be playing with the app. But we that are graphic designers already, we use the app and we will use it to add more value to our work, to understand that when we send that paid work to a client, the client will be saying wow, but that person will not know that we use AI to work on it. Yes, so that is the work of AI. AI is not replacing anybody, but rather we use it to enhance our work. Get that and master AI. So let's continue. So this is Lemaka AI. I'll come down. Can you see this? I'm going to use AI swap. Can you see this? Let me zoom this a bit. Can you see this? This is Elon Musk. Okay, this is just a man on his own, but this man swap his face with Elon Musk. Can you see now? He's the one see here, but his face is now Elon Musk's face. So that is what we're going to do. We just click on AI swap. It's opening. Okay, can you see this part? This is the two places which you're going to upload something. We're going to upload something here and also here. So this part is saying we should upload the original image. The original image say retain areas outside of the face. So the original image we want to change the face only. Okay, the image that we want to change the face only. So I'll click here. I'll select the image I want to change the face. So I want to select this image. I want to select one of the generated images. Then I will now change the face to be my face. Okay, let me select this image. Okay, I think this one is cool. I'll select it, click on it. Oh, because of the hand, I wouldn't like to select it. Let me select this one. Okay, click on done. Then I'll come here, click here. Then I'll select my image. I'll look out for my image. Where is my image? I don't even want to use these pictures again. This pictures has been giving me let me see if I can use this one. Okay, but I'm facing by the side. This one is facing me, I'm facing front. Let's just see what we're going to have. So guys, I have 25 credits here. Okay, and this is why we were able to have it, because I'm able to sign up. If I click here now, okay, so can you see it's telling me log out? So I've signed up. So try as much as possible to sign up to this website. Okay, but even if you did not sign up, you can still do this. Okay, but when you want to do more, okay, it will tell you if you want to do more, you have to sign up. So sign up with your Google. Just sign up with any of your email and then you move on. So once you're able to add all these things, you click on swap. So any swap we did now, it will take 1 credits from us. So remember what we have here is 25 credits. So if I click here, we'll now wait for it to generate the swapping. Just do the swappings and all that. Can you see what I just did, guys? See what I just did? These are just some of the works that I did, and it was not amazing, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Oh, see my dimple. Oh, my dimple is not clear enough. Can you see this? This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it. Just click download. Click download again. Can you see? So but if you're not able to see download on your screen, just press and hold. Can you see? Press and hold the picture. All these things will pop out, then click download. Okay, so let me just show you one of the things I did. This is my image. I use Mrs. Ifanyeze. If I'm known her on Facebook, I use her face to fill up. Then I just use my face on Mr. Donald Trump. Okay, this one I use my face on Mr. John Obidi. Can you see? This is not beautiful, bro. I even use my face on this. Can you see, guys? See this one, I use my face on Mr. Donald Trump. Can you see, guys? I was just looking like with all this my fine pictures and my fine hair. This one I use my face on Mrs. Ifan. So can you see? You know, this picture, my picture is a studio picture. The brightness and a lot of things was too much and was not able to get it clearly. So can you see, guys? Let's work on this picture using, let me say, let's use another picture. Let me use another picture. I think that is cool, guys. So that is it. So can you see now? We have 25 credits before, but now we have 24 credits. So once you keep on, if you want to add another thing, we'll just come here, click here. You can just replace it with another image. Okay, I can just select this one, or let me select this one. Okay, or should I select this? Okay, let me select that one. Click OK. Then come here. Let me replace this photo. Let me use another one. These my pictures are so sharp. They are so sharp. Let me find an image that is. Let me find an image that is a bit. Okay, let me use this one. There's this one where I'm eating. Let me use this one. Okay, click on swap. Let's see what we're going to have. If you're new to our channel and you're yet to subscribe, kindly smash the subscription button below this video and click the notification bell beside it so that anytime we drop amazing videos like this, you will be notified. It's obvious this YouTube is easy for trainings. You'll be learning a lot of things which you can use to make money. Yes, so make sure you subscribe right now. So can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see my beautiful face? My fine face. Have you seen my fine face before? Come and see it now. No, come and see it now. Okay, guys, that is it. If you are true, you can click here to download. Okay, can you see? So that is how to swap image. So let me just show you on my phone gallery so that you can be able to know that we have been able to download it. Okay, let's look out for it. Can you see? This is pictures. These are the ones these are the ones. Let's check the ones. Okay, these are the ones I just downloaded. Okay, this is the ones that we generated. Can you see? Okay, can you see the one we just downloaded? This is my face. Can you see this one is more beautiful? Oh god. Okay, so guys, that is it. Okay, so that is it. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question on the comment section. Yes, drop it on the comment section of this our YouTube channel, and I will be right there to give you a quiet reply. All right, subscribe now. Bye.